Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine waking up to stronger, healthier nails and soft, nourished cuticles without stepping foot in a salon. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what we're testing today with the Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. If your nails are in need of some serious TLC, especially if you've been dealing with cracked, dry cuticles or thin nails, this could be the remedy you've been looking for. Let's see if this oil really delivers on its promises. Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil promises to provide intensive hydration and repair, infused with a blend of nourishing oils and vitamins. The formula claims to help repair damaged skin and nails, promoting healthier growth with a noticeable shine. What's even more appealing? It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, and uses plant-based preservatives, making it a great option for those seeking natural beauty products without harmful chemicals. You'll get 0.5 ounces of this luxury in a sleek, salon-worthy bottle, and it comes in a soothing milk and honey scent. After using this cuticle oil for a couple of weeks now, I've really noticed a difference. The first thing that stood out was the texture. It's incredibly lightweight and non-greasy. I expected the oil to leave my hands feeling sticky, but it absorbed almost immediately, leaving only a subtle sheen. The fragrance is subtle but pleasant, adding a little touch of spa luxury to my nightly routine. I've applied it primarily before bed, focusing on my cuticles and nails, and I've woken up each morning to smoother, more hydrated skin around my nails. As for my nails, I noticed that they've become visibly stronger, less prone to breakage, and the thickness has improved. I would say this oil is particularly great for anyone with dry or sensitive skin around their nails, or if you're dealing with peeling cuticles. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The formula is impressive, lightweight, deeply hydrating, and free from artificial ingredients. You get spa-quality results without the hefty price tag, which is a big win in my book. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use and doesn't leave a heavy residue, so it's great for busy folks who need something quick and effective. On the flip side, while it's great for cuticles, those with severely damaged nails might need a more intensive treatment alongside this oil. The 0.5 ounce bottle might also run out fairly quickly if you're using it every day, but that's to be expected with most cuticle oils. As for value for money, Cuccio Naturale Cuticle Oil comes in at a mid-range price point. Given the quality and performance, I'd say it's well worth the cost. You're paying for high-quality, cruelty-free ingredients that genuinely work to repair your nails. If you're someone who loves luxury skincare and wants a product that makes a noticeable difference, this could be a perfect fit. Now, when comparing it to other cuticle oils on the market, this one stands out for its blend of natural, plant-based ingredients and its clean formulation. Many similar products tend to include parabens or artificial additives, but Cuccio keeps things pure. If you're comparing it to budget-friendly options, the price difference might feel a little steep, but the results justify the extra cost. Let's talk packaging. I absolutely love the bottle design. It's not only aesthetically pleasing, but functional, easy to apply, and the amount of product dispensed is just right. As for longevity, I've been using it daily for about 2 weeks, and I'd say it's a product that will last a while, especially since only a small amount is needed with each use. When it comes to customer service, Cuccio has a great reputation for supporting their customers. They offer responsive assistance in case of any issues, and many users rave about the company's dedication to quality and consumer satisfaction. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a cuticle oil that delivers on its promises of hydration, strength, and shine, without any heavy or greasy residue, Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is definitely worth considering. It's particularly great for those with dry, cracked cuticles or thin nails that need a little extra care. The non-greasy formula and beautiful results make it stand out among similar products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.